Hello and welcome back. We're going to be using once again MATLAB to illustrate what we just learned about Unsharp masking and a few additional operations. So let's go into that. First, we're going to read an image, one of the images that come with the MATLAB package. Then we're going to add salt and pepper noise. We see here 0.09, meaning that about 9% of the pixels in the image are going to be contaminated by salt, white, or pepper, meaning black noise. After that, we are going to apply to the noisy image median filtering, and we see that operation here. And then we're going to load the original image, the noisy image, the median filter result, meaning the denoise image, the difference between these two as one possibility of Unsharp masking, and also a stretch histogram. And we're going to see and discuss each one of these more. So let's just first load all the 5 images and see what happens. I'm going to move them around so we can look at all of them at once. So this is, once again, we see here first the original image. Then we see the salt and pepper noise. When the background is white, we can see the black dots, basically the pepper. When the background is dark, we can see the white dots, the salt. Here we see the result of applying a 3x3 median filter to this image. And we see that we managed to clean the noise, and we managed to clean pretty much the whole image. Of course, we have some blurring, not a lot, but some blurring produced by the median filter. So it's not exactly the original image, it's kind of a blurred version of it, which means that if we take now the difference between these two images, we're going to get this, which is mostly the edges, the basically sharp boundaries in this image. This image is a bit too dark, and therefore what we do is, as we know, we can stretch the histogram, and in this case we just square the pixel values, and by that we are stretching the histogram, and we see here the results. So here is basically the difference between the original, the median filter of the noisy image, that's that, and we have stretched it. Now, observe that we don't see edges because of the noise. Those will be spurious edges, won't be real edges in the original image. And that basically happens because we have applied a median filter before producing this difference. And that's actually great because the median filter managed to get rid of the noise and therefore managed to get rid of the possibility of having spurious edges. So in this example, we see a lot of the things that we have learned. We see salt and pepper noise, result of median filter, the difference producing the most important edges, and then histogram stretching to be able to observe those edges in a much nicer way. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.